Name of the book Civics, Standard 8, Total Chapter 7, Total Headlines 125. Content Chapter 1 Our Constitution, Chapter 2 Fundamental Rights, Fundamental Duties and Directive Principles of State Policies, Chapter 3 The Union Government Legislature, Chapter 4 The Union Government Executive, Chapter 5 The Union Government Judiciary, Chapter 6 Social Justice and Marginalized, Chapter 7 Safeguarding the Marginalized. Chapter 1 Our Constitution. Headlines are Rules and Law, Rules of Law, the Constitution, Needs of Constitution, Visions and Values of Constitution, Basic Features of our Constitution, the Unique Constitution, Written Constitution, Longest Constitution, Rigid and Flexible, Power to amend the Indian Constitution, by simple majority, special majority and ratification. India is a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic country, single integrated judicial system, single citizenship, federal and unitary government, parliamentary form of government. Chapter 2 Fundamental Right, Fundamental Duties and Directive Principle of State Policies. Headlines are Fundamental Right, Right to Equality, Right to Freedom, Right to Religious, Right against Exploitation, Right to the Constitutional Remedies, Restriction on the Fundamental Rights, Fundamental Duties, Directive Principle of State Policies, Classification of Directive Principle of State Policies, Secularism, Significance and Indian Secularism. Chapter 3 The Union Government Legislature. Headlines are the Union List, State List, Congruent List, the Union Legislature, Lok Sabha, the House of the People, qualification, tenures, powers and functions of the Speaker, Rajya Sabha, qualification, elections and tenures, presiding the officers, powers and functions of the Speaker, judicial power, financial power, power to amend the Indian Constitution, electoral functions. Lesson 4 The Union Government Executive. Headlines are the President, qualifications of the officer, tenure, election of the President, impeachment, succession of the President, emoluments and immunities, powers and functions of the President, the executive power, legislature power, financial power, judicial power, the Vice President of India, Union Council of Ministers, the function of Union Council of Ministers, the President functions of Prime Ministers. Chapter 5 The Union Government Executive. Headlines are the Independent Judicial System, Types of Cases, the Single Integrated Judicial System, Indian Judicial System, the Supreme Court of India, Qualification, Composition, Tenure and Removal, Salary Allowances, Powers and Functions of the Supreme Court, Original Jurisdiction, Appellate Jurisdiction, Advisory Jurisdiction, Supervisory Jurisdiction, Courts of Record. Protector of the Fundamental Right, Guardian of our Constitution, Power of the Judicial Review, Composition, Qualification. High Court, emolument, tenure and removal, powers and functions of the High Court. Subordinate Court, Criminal Court, Revenue Court, Civil Court, Lok Adalat, Public Interest Litigation. Lesson 6 Social Justice and Marginalized. Headlines are Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes, Reservation, Other Backward Classes, Minority Groups, Religious Communities of India. Chapter 7 Safeguarding the Marginalized. Headlines are Constitutional Provision, Fundamental Right, Right to Equality, Right against Exploitation, Special Provision for Minorities. Directive Principle of State Policies, Protecting the Marginalized. Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Stand Up India Scheme. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, People's Appreciation and our National Goals. Measure taken by the government for the rehabilitation of the scavengers. Program launched by the government for the upliftment of the weaker section.